So what do you see? A beautiful scene, a very nice, comfortable chair. And this was you, ready to take some awesome pictures. And then before you know, this is what happens. But in today's video, we're going to look at 5 go-to poses so that whenever you have such a scene with a very nice, comfortable chair like this, you're going to make your videos look as amazing and as awesome as possible. Just 5. And today I'm working with Samuel. This is Samuel. Yeah, so just 5 go-to. Today I'm shooting with my phone. The camera isn't here, so I have to just work with what I have. It's an iPhone X. It gives me very good photos if I have good light. The lighting here is not the best. It's a little bit cloudy, but we'll manage. Okay, so I'm going to be using the portrait mode and I'm going to be using the photo mode, depending on how things are going. All right, if I want a very close-up shot, I'm going to go with portrait, or I'm going to use the photo and I'm going to zoom in. If I want a very full body shot, then I'm going to go with the photo mode. So let's look at the very first pose here. I want you to sit as relaxed as Samuel is here, and then you can see the mistake people do is they straighten their legs. Samuel, please straighten your legs. Don't do this. You want to see angles in your legs. So Samuel, give us the angles in the legs. We start from the down all the way to the up. So you can see the way he crosses his legs. You can see all the angles, and then that's all we want to be seeing anytime you are shooting him. All right. And then if you look at the way he's relaxed, you can see his body, his shoulders are tilted. They are not on a straight line. They are a bit tilted. You can see this one up, and then he's much more relaxed. And then let's get some shots. I'm going to use the photo mode here. I'm going to get one shot like this. That's one. I'll go down. Get another one. Good. I'll go down like this. I'm going to increase the aperture a little. And I'm going to give him one shot. You see the way he puts his hand here and then tilt the head? That is a very good thing to do. So I'm just going to go a little bit closer like this. Capture that. Step back a little. Capture that. And I'm going to get very close to him like that. Perfect. And capture that. So let's do pose number 2. Now, unlike the very first time where you are so relaxed in the chair, this time you're going to a little bit puff off and come in front this way. Like you're probably putting your hands on the table, like what someone has here, but you have his knees to support. So it's as simple as that. That is very simple. It's very straightforward, as you can see. All right, so I'll start with photo mode first, and I'm going to get him a very full shot like this. I'll go down because he's a gentleman. Now I'll take the first shot. Very good at this angle. Come here. Still looking at him at this angle. Perfect. I want you to play with your glasses. Exactly. Perfect. Perfect. And then I'm going to get a portrait because I have to get a portrait. So I'm going to get very close to him that way. Exactly. I'm going to watch him. Exactly. Perfect. Number 3. Now, like, you have to feel free on this chair. This chair belongs to you. So number 3, let's hop on the chair. Yeah, these are as simple as you get. It's like just the repetition of that one, but this time you are getting on the chair. Simple. So let's just get some shots. I'm going to start with the photo mode like this. I'm going to zoom in, zoom down, and I'm going to get a close-up, a portrait. Yeah. So this one, right, when you pose like this, you start to feel like you are Dwayne Johnson, right? You start to feel like me. Or Sammy, what do you say? Yeah, Sammy, play with your hands. I like the way you're playing with your hands. Look at the name on your bead. What does it say? Exactly. Perfect. Exactly. You should tell Albert what time it is. Albert doesn't know the time it is. So you tell him exactly. Time to close. Perfect. So that's another trick. Make sure you have some accessories so you could play with them. If you have a wristwatch or a band, that will be a perfect accessory for you to be able to help you take better pictures in this kind of poses. So now the last pose, you come behind the chair like this, and this is as simple as it goes. You just relax, sit like this. Sammy, your legs are straight, so we want some angles in the legs, okay? So if you could give me a leg, showing me the inside of your sole like that, very good. The grass are touched. I don't know what I can do about it, but let's see what we can do. So you take this leg back, this one, take it back a little, very good. Back more, very good, and then bring this one. Perfect. I like that. So you see the angles we've created here. That's very good. Now I want you to relax. Yeah. Are you ready with the beat? No, you have to play with the beats here. So I'm going to go down a little, get a shot. That's good. I want a shot here. This leg is looking too straight. So can you bend it? This left one. Very good. Yeah, that's perfect. Nice shot. Nice shot. I'm going to get some portraits too. So I'm going to get close. Very good. Very good. Like that. And perfect. Perfect. That's good. Don't move. I like that. I like that. Good. Try taking off the glasses with the hand in the pocket. Okay, no. The same left. Right. Good. Perfect. Perfect. What time is it? Perfect. So the last pose, we're going to sit this way. Exactly. We're going to sit this way and we're going to look at the camera like from this angle like this. And just by doing this, you can see we already have some amazing poses. So I'm going to shoot in portrait mode here. I'm going to zoom in like this on Samuel and I'm going to take first shot. So that's a nice shot. Another nice shot. What time is it, Samuel? What time is it? Good. All right, don't move. And then I could also come this way like this and take a shot. Yeah, very good. Perfect. That's perfect. So guys, that's pretty much it. 5 poses with this same chair and then just any simple background that you could have. You could just play along with your accessories, your wristwatch, your band, your glasses, your jacket, whatever you have, your chain. Somebody show them the chain. Yeah, with a chain and whatever thing you have. Let me know the kind of videos you want to see next time. I hope you enjoyed this. Please drop the thumbs up button. And no matter what I do, guys, I'm going to catch you in the very next video. Peace.